Hey guys, Basil and Will, Grayson Hobby, and today is September 22nd.
Something, yes.
End of the month update. We got some stuff coming in this past week.
Yeah, we got
lots of stuff on the way.
A few more things.
We already lost stuff. All right, so first, what's up? We got some new Radio Master stuff. We got the T8 came in.
The T8 Pro, yeah, we got some T8 Pros in. This is the one that's their joystick style radio. It looks like a little Xbox controller. But yeah, you got your controller style, and once you get the screen, the cool thing about the screen is once you're done programming it, you can just take it off and run it as a travel radio. So you don't always have to have this screen on there.
Yep.
Also has a built-in battery for a $90 radio. A lot of bang for the buck. Great for beginner combos if you want to get a decent radio. It works with the simulators and all that on the computers.
OpenTX.
OpenTX, yeah, it's programmable, everything.
Does it have multi-module?
It has a multi-module in it, yes.
Also from Radio Master, we're doing a video on this one, an install video. I'll get my hand out of the way. LED lights for the gimbals. They can come in different colors. Link will be below. Pretty cool, I think. Last thing from Radio Master that's new for this week.
18650 batteries. So everybody always asked, well, can you get 18650 batteries instead of the rechargeable pack? Yes, now Radio Master has some 2500 milliamp 18650s that you can purchase separately and put in the radio and use the factory holder, or you can always get the lithium ion pack separately.
Can you
What's
charge,
an option?
Can you charge those in the radio?
Yes.
All right, that'd be kind of silly if they offered battery.
Yeah, so that's the Radio Master there. As far as other stuff, just to mention real quick, China Hobby line, we got 1500s, 2200s, 4-cell, 6-cell, 3-cell.
FpV and fixed wing.
Yeah, so we got some batteries in. China Hobby line, a lot of people have been asking for those.
Also, a blast from the past.
Yeah, EV800Ds. Well, this is the 800D model, not the Eachine one, because the Eachine is just a logo. But
this is that favorite one that Will uses. He's got the monitor, which converts into a pair of goggles.
Diversity, DVR, multi-purpose, great ride-along goggle.
Yep.
A lot of features for not a lot of money because of the patch and circular polarized antenna, etc. Check out our reviews in the past from that.
The video, actually, we did a video on this one. It's actually pretty popular. Believe it or not, that's one of our best-selling goggles of all time.
Oh, it had a lot of bang for the buck.
It's a great set of goggles.
Moving on to Emacs. We finally got some Emacs back in. Tiny Hawk 2 freestyles in both bind and fly and ready to fly. And the Tiny Hawk 2 is also in ready to fly combos and bind and fly combos. So those are available now. And then the last thing. Oh, yes. Forgot this Radio Master here. Guys, we got some TX16Ss in the Max Edition in carbon red, back in stock. These are the newest ones that have the external adjustable tension springs. So you can adjust the gimbal's tensions and all that externally without having to take the back plate off.
Yep.
So this is the latest of the latest.
Yep. One more thing I forgot. Hold on. Don't go nowhere. All right. Yay. Our good buddy Don from Hilltop Flyers. Actually, he's not from Hilltop Flyers. He's just the president of Hilltop Flyers. Anyways, Don put this together for us. We're going to do an unboxing video. Coming out sometime this week or next. Then we're going to go to field and fly it. So we got a couple videos coming on this one. DW Hobby, the pre-orders are up now. This is on a container ship coming from mainland China. I don't know. If you look at the news, there's lots of container ships. I don't believe what you want to believe, but we have this on the way.
Yeah, that's about it, guys. And don't forget,
promotion.
Guys, we also have the Radio Master, the goodie bag promotion going with current TX16Ss right now.
I forgot about
that's
that.
the carry bag, the neck strap, the remove before flight keychain, as well as the folding carry handle as well.
According to Radio Master, it's a $29.99 value. According to our YouTube comments, it's about $3. Okay.
Thanks for watching, guys. Support our channel, support our website. I like to eat. I told my car this week. Hey.